Imagine standing on the edge of a vast, ancient ocean around 541 million years ago. The sun filters through the water, casting shimmering patterns on a world teeming with life. This is the Cambrian Period, a time that would forever change the course of evolution on Earth. Now, you might think, what's so special about this time? Well, let me tell you. It's like the ultimate explosion of life, a real game changer in the history of our planet, and it's known as the Cambrian Explosion. Before the Cambrian, life was pretty simple. Picture a world dominated by one-celled organisms, like bacteria and protists, floating around in the oceans. These tiny life forms had been around for billions of years, quietly doing their thing, but then, out of nowhere, something incredible happened. The Cambrian period kicked off a rapid diversification of life, and suddenly, the oceans were filled with complexity and variety. It was as if nature decided to throw a grand party and invited all sorts of new guests. Now let's dive a little deeper into these Cambrian seas. Imagine swimming among early arthropods, the ancestors of modern crabs and lobsters, gliding gracefully through the water. Their bodies are covered in hard shells, which not only provide protection but also showcase the incredible innovation of evolution. These creatures were not just surviving, they were thriving. And they weren't alone. Sponges and worms were also making their debut, each with unique body plans and ways of moving. Can you picture it? A bustling underwater metropolis where every nook and cranny is filled with life. But let's not forget our old friends, the one-celled organisms. Even in this new world of multicellular marvels, they continued to thrive. Cyanobacteria, those tiny powerhouses, were hard at work, contributing to one of the most significant changes in our planet's history: oxygenation. These microscopic organisms were like the Earth's lungs, pumping out oxygen and transforming the atmosphere. It's fascinating to think that while these complex animals were evolving, the simple one-celled organisms were still laying the groundwork for life as we know it. As we explore this dynamic period, we can't overlook the innovations in mobility. The Cambrian seas were alive with new forms of movement. Some creatures developed hard shells, while others experimented with different ways to swim, crawl, or even burrow into the ocean floor. This newfound ability to move in various ways opened up a world of possibilities, allowing these animals to explore their environment, find food, and escape predators. It was a time of experimentation, where evolution was in overdrive, and the results were nothing short of spectacular. So, why does this matter to us today? Understanding the Cambrian period gives us insight into the very foundations of life on Earth. It reminds us that complexity didn't happen overnight. It was the result of billions of years of evolution and adaptation. The Cambrian explosion set the stage for all the incredible diversity we see in marine life today, from the tiniest plankton to the largest whales. It teaches us that life is resilient and that even the simplest forms can contribute to the grand tapestry of existence. As we look back at this pivotal moment in Earth's history, we can appreciate the interconnectedness of all life forms, from the microscopic to the magnificent. The Cambrian period was just the beginning, a spark that ignited the incredible journey of life on our planet. So the next time you gaze into the ocean, remember that beneath the waves lies a story that began over 500 million years ago, a story of life, innovation, and the relentless drive to thrive. Isn't that just awe-inspiring? If you enjoyed this dive into the past, hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the history of our planet.